My friend, when I became the railway minister, I started the process of recruitment in the railways. And earlier, what used to happen is in each state there was a separate exam. But people from all over India were allowed to come and appear for that exam. So what was happening was most of the western and southern states, local people were not applying enough. And people from other parts of the country would come, apply, and in the course of the jobs, would take away jobs, and very few local people from south or west got jobs in the railways. While I cannot reserve jobs for each state, because the Constitution of India and several Supreme Court judgments have held that railways and any central government undertaking has to provide equal opportunity to all Indians. 130 crore Indians have to be given equal opportunity. I cannot reserve jobs for state-wise. But I did another thing which I think was the smart way to ensure that everybody gets equal opportunity. We made the entire test one test all over India, so that one person can apply only in at one time. He cannot apply in different regional recruitment boards again and again and increase his chances of recruitment. So I think now everybody in India has equal opportunity to get a job. I would urge my young boys and girls from Goa to start preparing, and when the next round of recruitment takes place for the Group C, Group D, all of those jobs, I hope more and more Goans will also apply. And I am confident that they will get very good opportunity. They are very well educated, they are very well talented, and I am sure they will do very well in the recruitment. Also for now the new service, we now have an Indian Railway Management Service, which will provide equal opportunity to all citizens of India, 130 crore Indians, to become officers of the Indian Railway. I would urge our young boys and girls from Goa, who may be engineers, mechanical engineer, electronic engineer, civil engineer, electrical engineer, accountants, graduates. I would urge all my Goa brothers and sisters to sit for these examinations also, so that we can have more boys and girls from Goa in our railway family. I invite them all to participate.